So what we need from you is a one-liner about your business idea to really understand what technology do you use, existing technology of Solianis or new technologies, and what markets, what industry you're going to be active in. In addition, we want you to check your business idea. Look at an alternative map, create an alternative map, and then to really understand what is the advantage of your new business. How does it compare to the competition? How does it compare in value and cost to what existing is right now? And what can be new in your business. So what we want from you is the business case here on the canvas. If you don't know what the canvas is, there will be a video to explain that. And we want a step to understand what's on the resource side, what kind of partnerships, activities do you need, what is the value proposition, and what market you're going to be active in. You also see a financial plan in the deck that we want you to fill out to understand what product you bring to the market, how much does it cost, how much business you're going to make within the next 5 years to really understand how viable the business idea is. And also to make sure that this new business is market compatible, we want you to create the letter of intent to understand what kind of partners you could find to bring the business to market, and how can you make sure that they're really interested into this new business. At the end, we want also to have a pitch presentation. So make a short and great presentation about your idea. How does it align with the Solianis core competencies? What's the business model? How is it competitive? And what is the plan to reach the target? To be break even within 3 years, to have an investment of up to 2 million and create a business of 10 to 50 million within the next 3 years.
What's important to add is that you can start with your idea. So this is the only delivery at the very beginning. So if you feel overwhelmed now, it's a good start, because you can deliver just your idea. Maybe it's a wrong one. You can discuss it with the coach, and then the coach will take you step by step through that journey. And in the end, you will be like almost a professional, you will be a professional to make new business cases. So don't feel overwhelmed, because the coaches are here to guide you through those steps.